The Sony MZ-R700 was a budget R900, but it was a great all-around device that uses a AA battery. Earlier, I fixed a write head issue, but this is easier, a simple lid swap to get a working display. Obviously, this working one has a bad display. Let's start by opening it up. Bottom casing first. Sure, it's not a complicated fix, but since these are long discontinued, to keep a unit working, you may have to salvage the parts you need from another. Once it's unscrewed, open from the other side. Sometimes pushing the eject helps. Once it's open, we'll want to remove that flex cable at the bottom that connects to the front lid. Once it's loose, we can unscrew the front lid. Just the usual screws on each side. And that's it. The lid lifts right off. I already removed the working lid from the other device. Let's get it into position and connect that cable. Slide it in and push in the retainer. Just a few screws for the lid. When you have a unit open like this, it's always good to clean and lube it. Remember, these are old devices. Once that's done, prepare to put the back casing back on. Get the eject button into place in its fully outward position so it won't get in the way. I like to hold it with that eject button facing down, since we're going to start from the jack side as usual. Once all the jacks are lined up, it should slide in. Again, keep that eject button facing down, and you can see what's going on without making it more difficult. Looks like it snaps shut properly. Time to screw it back together. Let's do a quick test to make sure it's working. And there you have it. A quick lid swap to get a working display onto a mostly working unit. Sure, the MZ-R700 isn't a NetMD device, but it's a pretty reliable MDLP recorder that can use AA batteries. As always, thanks for watching.